Today we're going to be looking at arranging art as well as using the selection pane. When you move around graphics, lines appear that help you guide and snap the graphics into a grid. This allows you to create an aesthetically pleasing graphic. When selecting graphics, you have to have the blue box completely around them. If it's only touching part of the graphic, I won't select it. Here we'll use the blue box to select all 12 of these cups. You can also group objects, which makes the 12 objects here into one. So when I click on it, I can move it around as one object instead of as 12 distinct objects. We're going to move this in front of it and look at what layers are and how to move things, various layers in the image. Right now the coffee pot is in the front of everything. I'm going to send it to the back. And now it's behind all the coffee cups. If I want, I'm going to ungroup these so that I can better demonstrate this. If I want to send one cup at a time back, I would click on one, and then click, well here I'll click on three, and then I'll click and send those to the back. So now they're behind the giant coffee pot. When I click on one and I send it to the back, and I have that one same selected, and I just send one forward one step, it probably won't appear because there are so many layers in between that coffee cup and the front. But if I really want to see it, I just select bring to the front. Now another way to get to those cups behind this graphic is to use the selection pane. I'm going to close this animation pane. The selection pane shows us every single graphic in the image, and when I select on them, it has a box around them. So here, let's move this text box out from behind the coffee pot. Now I'll select a few of the coffee cups at various positions, and I'll bring those to the front. This tool allows us to select graphics that are hidden in the image and to arrange the graphics exactly how we want without having to rely on trying to select them with that blue square that we used earlier. This also can be used in animations. We can conceal certain animations of images by putting one image in front of the other and moving it around, and so you can play around with animations for various images. I'm going to regroup these and move the coffee pot back, but play around the selection pane. It helps you to do animations, it helps you to arrange objects, and it's a very useful